Alright, Usher, just like how we practice, run it.
Oh, no.
No, man, you need to say more no than that, man. You need to make the people them actually feel your emotion. You get me? Like, no. Run it.
No.
Yeah. When you're feeling in your body, you find somebody who make you change your ways, like hanging with your crew. Make sure you do your head movement. Go.
When you feel it in your body, you found somebody who makes you change your ways, like hanging with your crew.
So you act like you're ready, but you don't really know. And make sure you point to the camera. Go.
So you act like you're ready, but you don't really know.
And everything in your past, you wanna let it go.
And everything in your past, you wanna let it go.
You know I've been there, done it, been around.
I've been there, done it, been around.
Yeah, after all that, this is what I found.
After all that, this is what I found.
Nobody wants to be alone. If you're touched by the words in my song, and baby, you got it bad. Yeah, man, Usher. Yeah, catch it, man. Just with a little more practice, I feel like you can be the biggest thing, you know. Alright? Boom!
It's Epicflows, yeah.
Shout out production.
Radekal and Big
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
Yeah!
You know I rap Epicflows when I step into my clothes.